You can clearly see that with macro photography with clip-on lens, the distance to the subject is significantly shorter than when you do not use this lens. Give you some examples of images taken with the iPhone 6s without and with clip-on lens. Our beach hedge without and with clip-on lens. Do you see the fluffy seed caught in the spider web? Just budding. Up close, our olive tree looks very different with those hairs on the leaves. Don't you think too? Did you see it? The distance between the camera and the subject is shorter if a clip-on lens is attached to the mobile phone. Take a good look at these images from the previous video. You can clearly see that with macro photography with clip-on lens, the distance to the subject is significantly shorter than when you do not use this lens. I saw it at my door. I like to photograph dandelions. Here again images without, and with clip-on lens. And the end result without this being processed. It is not only flowers and plants that are fun for the lens. The bees from part 1 are of course also interesting. I found this spring during a walk. I believe this is a buzzard. It not only gives a nice picture, but also a nice structure picture. And you see how the individual parts are attached to each other. But also everyday utensils such as this keychain, especially for all healthcare workers. As you see photographed with a small tripod and the headphones as a wire release. You can of course also photograph bees or other shyer insects with relatively few risks. And think about it. The depth of sharpness in macro photos has always been small. Focusing, as you undoubtedly noticed, is a bit more difficult with the phone than with the other ways.